Hello dear students, I welcomes all of you to lecture 12 of topology of matrix spaces. Unit first, matrix spaces. In last few lectures we study open ball in matrix space and open sets of matrix space and solve some problems on these. In today's lecture we study properties of open sets, that is theorems on open sets. So we start our today's lecture with theorem first. Theorem. In any matrix space, open ball is an open set. This is general statement. In any matrix space, open ball is an open set, or let X D be a matrix space every open ball in X is an open set. This theorem says that in any matrix space, open ball is an open set, or let X D be a matrix space, every open ball in X is an open set. We prove this theorem. Prove let X D be a matrix space and A is any element in X and A belongs to X. Let open ball about A with radius S is equal to G is an open ball in X. This is open ball. B is open ball about A with radius S is equal to G is an open ball in X. Take X belong to open ball about A with radius S, which is equal to G. That is, X is a point in set G. Therefore, by definition, distance between A and X is less than S by definition. Let distance between A and X is equal to T. Suppose this distance is equal to T. Distance between A and X is equal to T. Therefore, T is less than S. Therefore, 0 is less than S minus T. Choose small r such that zero is less than r is less than S minus T. We choose r such that r is in between 0 and S minus T. This is equation first. Consider open ball about X with radius R. We consider an open ball about X with radius R. If Y belong to open ball about X with radius R, then by definition distance between X and Y is less than R. The distance between X and Y is less than this R. This is equation 2. We have distance between A and Y is less than or equal to distance between AX plus distance between X, Y. Why this? Because or since D is metric space, D is metric, and by triangular inequality we get distance between A and Y is less equal distance between AX plus distance between X, Y. DAY is less equal DAX plus DXY. By equation, change equation 1. This is not equation 1. Equation 1 is this is equation 1 is this is equation 1. Okay. By equation 1 and 2 we get distance between A and Y is less equal T plus R. Therefore, distance between A and Y, DAY, is less equal T plus S minus T, since R is less than S minus T. This is star by star. Therefore, distance between A, Y is less than S. Therefore, Y belong to open ball about A with radius S. Therefore, open ball about X with radius R is contained in open ball about A with radius S. Therefore, open ball about A with radius S is equal to G is open set in X. This is the proof. Here we have to show that we can consider one open ball and again consider second open ball, and we show that other open ball is contained in first open ball. Therefore, open ball contains open ball, and this is our definition of open set. Okay. Now we consider one example. Example, show that singleton set in RD is discrete matrix space. Is open set. Here we have to show that singleton set in RD, that is discrete matrix space, is open set. Solution. In matrix space, RD, we have dxy is equal to zero if x is equal to y and is equal to 1 if x not equal to y. This is a discrete matrix space. Let A belong to RD, then open ball about A with radius 1 is equal to set of x belong to RD such that distance between x and A is less than 1. Open ball about A with radius 1 is equal to set of such x whose distance is less than 1 is equal to this set contains only singleton A. Therefore, open ball about A with radius 1 is equal to singleton A is open ball in RD. Except this point, there is no open ball whose radius is less than 1. Therefore, singleton set in RD is an open set. How this is? Because in any matrix space, by theorem, in any matrix space, open ball is open set. Singleton A is an open ball. Therefore, singleton A is open set in RD. This is the solution. Now you prove next theorem. Note, first, one point set in R1 is not open set. Singleton set in RD is an open set, but one point set in R1 is not an open set. Why? Justification. Let A belong to R1, then singleton set does not contain any open ball about A. Therefore, singleton set A is not open in R1. Second remark, in any metric space, HD, both X and empty set phi are open sets. Okay, these are two notes on open set. Second is we proved already in last lecture. Therefore, we continue with our lecture to prove next theorem. theorem arbitrary union of open sets is open. Arbitrary union of open sets is open. Or let X D be a metric space then arbitrary union of open sets is open. Is open. Or in some book this states as this theorem states as let rho be a non-empty family of open subsets of X of open subsets of X then union of G over G belong to tau is open set in X. This is the statement of theorem. Arbitrary union of open sets is open. This is we prove this theorem using open ball proof. Is equal to set of G containing X such that G is open set. Tau is a family of open set. Let H is equal to union of such G containing Then we have to show that H is open set. H is union of open set G. If H is equal to empty set, H is empty set, then result is true, because we know that empty set is open set. The result is true. If H is non-empty, then X belong to H. X is any point in H. This implies that X belong to union of G, where G belong to top. This implies that X belong to one of the G for some G belong to family of open set tau. Okay, if X belong to union of G, then this X belong to one of the G or all G. Okay, but it is differently in one open set G. But G is open set. We have given this is the union of open sets. Therefore, this G is open set. G is open set. Therefore, there exists R greater than 0 such that open ball about this X with radius R is containing G. Then if you draw open ball about this X with radius R, then this open ball containing G. Therefore, open ball about X with radius R is containing union of G. G belong to tau is equal to H. Therefore, this open ball about X with radius R is containing H. Therefore, H is open set in X. Therefore, since open ball about X with radius R is containing H, therefore this H is open set in X. This is the proof of our theorem. Arbitrary union of open set is show that any subset of Rd discrete matrix space is open set in Rd. Solution: let A belong to Rd, then open ball about A with radius 1 is equal to set of X belong to Rd such that distance between x and a is less than 1 is equal to singleton set A. Therefore, open ball about A with radius 1 is equal to singleton set A is open set in RD. Now let G is subset of RD. Therefore, G is equal to union of singleton set X such that X belong to G. Therefore, G is expressed as union of open sets. And we prove that arbitrary union of open sets is open. We know that arbitrary union of open sets is open. Therefore, G is open set in RD. Okay student, I stop with this. In next lecture we study finite intersections of open sets of matrix space is open, but infinite intersection of open sets need not be open, and solve some problem depending on these theorems. Thank you very much.